Who shot?
So one of the ways I prevent negligent discharge is I keep a bullet out of the chamber. That way when I'm holding a weapon that doesn't have a safety on it, I don't run the risk of accidentally discharging, um, around. Granted that you're not supposed to put your finger on the trigger unless you're actively aimed at a target. However, mistakes happen and we're human, so you know one good way to prevent that is by keeping a round out of the chamber and having your firearm cleared so the trigger can't even pull back.